Morning, children. How are you all? Are you all fine? Very good. To learn two to three poems. You all remember that poem? Yes, very good. So today we are going to learn a new poem. Okay, take out your new voices book, children. Did you all take it? Take lesson number 9, page number 75. Page number 75. Yes. What it is written there? Cats sleep anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere. So cats can sleep anywhere. So we are going to see a poem on cats. Yes, are you all ready? Superb. Before getting into the poem, we have an exercise to do. Okay? Choose suitable homes for these animals. Okay? They have given the options for you there, right? What is that? First one, SHED, shed. Second one, DEN, den. Third one, WEB, web. Fourth, COOP, coop. Fifth one, NEST, nest. So they have given 5. Choose, right? You are going to find the answers for all these and write. Okay? So I will do only one for you. A lion lives in a... Where does a lion live? In a shed? Yes, it lives. Will you all do it? Super. So can we go to today's class? Yes, we are going to read the poem. Cat sleeps anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere. Okay. So here is the poem, children. Yes. Take the next page, okay? First, we are going to read the poem today. We are going to read the poem, okay? First line. Cats sleep anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere. Any table, any chair. Any table, any chair. Top of piano, windows ledge. In the middle or on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoes. Anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, in a cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. So what is given here, children? So cat is sleeping anywhere. Where and all it is sleeping? Can we see? Any table, any chair. It sleeps on any table. It can sleep on your study table or your dining table. Anywhere it can sleep. or any chair. It can sleep in your chair or your parents' chair, anywhere. Okay, and it also sleeps on the top of the piano and windows ledge. This they will have. So in that, either it will sleep in the middle or on the edge. And you can see when a drawer is open, it will sleep there also. It can sleep in an open drawer. What is a drawer? Yes, when you are having in your cupboard, you will have a drawer, right? You can pull and you can keep stuffs inside, no? That is called a drawer. Yes, it can sleep inside the drawer also. And it will sleep in an empty shoe. When you are not wearing a shoe and it is not, when the shoe is not having any socks or any smell, bad smell, what the cat will do? It will go and sleep. And you know, it can sleep on anybody's lap. It's like a small baby and it can sleep on anybody's lap. Okay, and fitted in a cardboard box. What is a cardboard box? When we gift something or when we buy something from a shop, we will get, no, for example, you are buying a fridge, you will get a big cardboard box, right? If you are buying a mobile phone, you will get a small cardboard box. Fitted into that, the particles will be there. If the box is empty, the cat can fit inside the box and it will sleep. Okay, and you know what? It can sleep inside your cupboard. It will get fit into your frock and it will sleep. So it has no restrictions. It can sleep anywhere and they don't care about where they sleep. Okay? So can we now sing the poem? Yes. Yes. Before we sing the poem, we will read it 2 to 3 times so that we get to know the words. Okay? Put your finger. Cats sleep anywhere. Any table, any table, any chair, any chair. Top of piano, top of piano, windows ledge, windows ledge. In the middle or on the edge, in the middle on the edge. Open drawer, open drawer, empty shoes, empty shoe. Anybody's lap will do. Anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, fitted in a cardboard box, in a cupboard with your frocks. In the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere. This poem is written by Eleanor for John. Okay, Eleanor for John. So this name can be said in so many ways. We are saying it Eleanor for John. Okay, ELEANOR, Eleanor for John. Fargon. Okay? Yes. So, children, are you all ready to sing along with me? Yes. Cat sleeps anywhere, any table, any chair. Window, ledge. In the middle, on the edge. Top of piano, window, edge. In the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody laps will do. Open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody laps will do. Fitted in the cardboard box. In the cupboard with your frocks. Fitted in the cardboard box. In the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere they don't care. Cat sleeps anywhere. Anywhere they don't care. Cat sleeps anywhere. So you all enjoyed singing with me? Super. So children, in next class we are going to sing the song again. Okay? Yes. So I will meet you in the next class. Okay children? Yes. Till then, take care and be safe at home children. Thank you. Saram.